Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 24 of building the Batmobile Tumbler from the Dark Knight trilogy. Let's have a look. Flying over Gotham City in the Bat. I liked it. Flying has always impressed and intrigued me. I like flying, so yeah, why not? Good stuff. Batgirl's debut. Detective Batman, meet the new Batgirl. I wonder if it was to probably wasn't to increase the demographic. They didn't really get many girls reading the comics, I don't think, but yeah, boys did, so that's probably why. There you go. Right, there we have that. So yes, the step-by-step instructions for stage 24. We're putting on these side panels and the handles, the seat handle things, and obviously the base piece as well. And that is that until we achieve one that looks just like that. And then next time we're going to be putting the seat covers on. Next time we'll also be having a look at the free gift supplied in this package. So come back for that. But before that, come back for this. So the parts supplied this time and from last time, we've got this. So we need to put these panels on there first. They only go one way round. You've got a bit that pokes into that hole there. And then that bit, that end, we need to put a CP screw in. Now, CP screws seem to be the ones that are the common usage. I'm expecting there to be 5 in this here packet. And indeed, there are. We're going to be using 4 of them. One of them I'll put back in the other packet. So we've got a couple in there. No point in keeping multiple packets with single screws on the go. Might as well keep going one at a time as long as we can. So that's going to go in there with the CP screw holding the other end in place. That's going to locate in there a little bit like that. Screw through the end there. Sure that's located home properly. There we go. And the same on the other side. So that's going to go in there like that. And CP screw will hold that in place on the other side. This is why you still need that to be able to move a little bit to line up that edge piece. There we go. Another one in. Sure it's all home. It is. Make sure that one was tight. I don't know that I tightened that one up properly. No, a little bit more on that. So there we have that. Another piece. I don't even know which is the inside and which is. I think that's the inside. So that's going to be a bit like that. So this is going to go on there like so. Again, this bit just slips over the outside of that bit. We'll only go one way round and one orientation. So hopefully that will line up almost exactly with that hole in there. Not, it's close, but it wasn't quite there. It's just wiggled a little bit to get it in place. So that's that. I'll tighten that up when I've finished. Let's get the other side in first. It'll move around at the moment. Let's get that in the right place, hopefully. And yep, there you go. That's that. Tightened onto there. Go back and tighten up the other side as well. Oh, get it in the screw hole. That will work so much better than if it isn't. Thing's not right there. Is that is in the right place? Yeah, just wasn't quite lined up right. I shall have a closer look at that and tidy that up. But first of all, let's get these in place. These do appear to be different. We've got letters on there, have we? No, I'm just imagining things, just patterns and shaping. So these pop into the holes on the sides there, just like we did last time. That one there and that one on there. Nice. So that is it. Another week done, another issue complete. I'll see you next time for putting the padding bits on and looking at the free gift. So see you soon for that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.